Today we're doing Inara's makeup. This is a trial run for her graduation makeup to see if she likes it or not. Perfect. Starting off with a peach color corrector on her under eyes to kind of neutralize the bruise-like areas.
Wow, that actually, that did so much.
Color correcting queen. Oh yeah, you were right. This is your summer shade.
This is my summer shade.
Some concealer. Ooh, that's a nice under eye. Contour.
You look good. Thank you. Yeah, I look awake.
Laura Mercier powder. Honestly, you really just put powder everywhere. I tend to go a little overboard on blush. I have an idea. I'm gonna execute it on you. I have the jewels. I have these things.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Wait, that's so cool.
This is cool.
You know yourself best with the lip combo.
Yeah, this is my go-to.
Your eye shape is so nice to do liner on. Ooh.
Looks good.
Final step. Yeah.
Done. Yeah,
It's
this
like
has to be my graduation
illuminating.
makeup. Minus this, it has to be my graduation makeup. Go to Mina. She's great. Yeah.
Doodles.
Bye.